Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville Espresso machine. This machine was brought here because there was no pressure on the group and the gauge didn't move. And the problem with this machine was that you need a new water pump to be replaced, as well as the three-way solenoid valve, which is located right in there. And as you can see, it was pretty dirty in there. Definitely need to be replaced. There was a lot of scale going around here, so we also did a tune-up on the machine. And after the tune-up, we discovered that there was a really strong bad smell coming from the steamer one, so we actually had to go inside the boiler, drain it, and clean it up a little bit, and put it back together. A lot of work on this, but after that, as you can see, it's doing pretty well, and good. And it's not coming out from there. As well as the hot water. They also scale pretty much for boilers, so they're way more efficient than they was. So let's do one shot of espresso. And unfortunately, we were not able to replace the gauge. So we end up doing was just giving it a good descale, clean out a little bit, but some of the water went inside there and we couldn't take it out, unfortunately. But as you can see, it's working. And there is good water flow. The machine is working perfectly fine. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.